Along the East African coast lies Diani, a pristine Kenyan beach location that's famous for its blue waters and white sands. Unfortunately, for the last several decades, the coral reefs in Diani have been degrading and the impact has been huge. There are fewer fish and less seafood to catch. The beach is slowly eroding and the reefs are less colourful and less attractive, which means decreased tourist activity in the area. To preserve local livelihoods, we are launching a pilot coral restoration project that will restore the coral reefs in the Diani-Chale National Marine Reserve. For this, we have partnered up with the Swahili Beach Resort to execute the project in 5 phases. Firstly, we identify the most suitable areas that need restoration within the marine reserve. Secondly, we'll introduce a patrol boat to prevent harmful practices in the marine reserve. Our next step will be to promote community involvement and the sustainable use of the reserve by educating the local communities on marine conservation. Once the coral reefs are protected, we'll then launch the restoration effects, together with the local communities, by growing and outplanting coral. After achieving success with the pilot project, we can then focus on launching additional projects at other suitable areas within the reserve. Simply, the end goal of our project is to have the coral reefs in Diani growing and spreading naturally again. But we need your help. Help us restore the coral reefs and promote local livelihoods by donating to our project.